Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a quick hairstyle for you, which is called messy bun. It's one of my go-to hairstyles, so stay with me while I walk you through the process. So what you'll be needing for this is a mousse, or what I'll be making use of for this is my mousse and my comb and my ponytail extension, all three. Nothing too serious, but anyway, I'm about to start. So first things first, comb your hair. After combing your hair, cut out the part you want to pick out, like the fringe. So I'm just gonna cut out a little bit. This might be too much hair. This would do. So mat this because it's the extra hair. So mat this, put this together in that place. Now we focus on the back. The only thing missing right now is my straightener, but I'm gonna go grab that because I need that to curl the front of my hair. So, but yeah, the rest of the hair, put it in a bun. So I kind of like apply mousse on mine first so it can have that hold. And then I try to rebrush it so it can be, so my pony can be neat. Scrunchie. And I try to move it all the way to the front so the bun would stop somewhere very close to where the edge the front starts from. Try to put this in here really tight because you don't want it slip into the back, so you have to like tighten it when you're putting your scrunchie around it. I know you're probably looking at me like, oh, what is this about to become? But yeah, you'll see that in a sec. So put this together as well because we'll be putting the ponytail extension on it shortly. After doing this, I kind of wrap it around together so my bun will fit perfectly. But now I need to make use of my straightener for the front part, which is the complete package, or which is going to be the complete package. But yeah, I need to grab my straightener, so give me a sec. One sec. Take this part out, grab my comb and comb it. So I like to put this in pieces when I'm straightening it out so it's not going to be, so it will be flat. I just want it a little bit flatter, so that's why I'm going through that step. If not, if your hair is really light, you can just go ahead and straighten it one time, but I just don't want any fold here. So, straightener is hard enough. And just kind of put it in a curl. Don't worry, you see the magic. You see the magic. You see, it's already like coming together nicely, you know. And we're about to repeat the same process here, which is straightening it out and curling it at the tip. One more time. But you can do it as many times as you want, but I just like to do mine twice. Yeah. So how am I looking? Like left eye, right? Don't insult me, I'm just playing. I know I look nothing like left eye, but yeah, this is what I like to do. So when I put it in a fringe, I still kind of like put it together and curl it one more time before I separate it. So this is like the last process. Alright, so now I'm gonna split it into two and put it on the left and the right side. I have a big forehead, so yeah. You don't need to tell me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You can see the front is already setting right, but yeah, I probably need to. 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 Yeah, I probably this part in some more because I'm not sure I like how this fits. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do, but I think I'm gonna have to recurl here. Maybe use my comb. I'm gonna have to straighten this part. Alright, so now I have the desired curl that I want for it. So all I have to do now is fix the bun. The whole point of the hairstyle is messy bun, so we're about to make the bun itself. My straightener is from TYMO, really hot. Like, it gets hot in like 2 seconds, so just in case you were wondering. I don't know if it's Tymo or Timo, one of it, but it's really nice. I need to turn off my straightener. So now we have the hair extension I'll be using, the bun. I've had this for quite some time. I sell it, by the way, in case you're interested. This is a body weight one, it's 20 inches. And this is the same look I wore for my birthday, so I'm just gonna brush this out a little bit. It also has like a drawstring. Alright, so now that I'm done brushing this, all I have to do is put it around this little bun that I already made. So it also comes with 2 clips, one here and one here. So the top one, I just put that in my hair first, and I really wish you could see the back. And I clip the other one behind that one. And this is my drawstring. All I have to do is pull the drawstring to tighten the bun on my hair and twist it around to still give it like a firmer touch. And after doing that, you grab some of the hair, this much, and just turn it, hold this in your hand and just kind of like twist this and interchange while doing it, so it covers the front. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but yeah, this is how it's done. But this is how I do it. As you can see, I already have like a pony. So if you're team long hair, you can literally just wear this look like this if you want. But yeah, I rather have my hair flat all the way back if I wanted to rock the long one. I usually don't do the long pony and fringe. I just like to make it like round. So for the messy bun, this is what I do. It's super easy. All I do is just wrap the hair around. Voila, that's it. I don't do more of that. I'm gonna turn to the back a little bit so you can see the hair. And yeah, that's all I do. I don't know why this is still stressing me out. So if you also want to do side, as you can see, this is a look. If you're trying to do the side, just put everything on one side. If you're trying to do like a full fringe, you could do the full fringe. I'm actually thinking maybe I should rock it this way today. I don't know, I'll decide. But yeah, let me turn to the back so you see the back of my hair and see how it looks from the back. It's like 5 minutes. Everything takes like 5 minutes. So I'm on my knees right now. But yeah, this is the side view of the hair, and this is the back of the hair. I hope it's neat. Then this is the other side of the hair. And this is the front of the hair. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna rock it this way, but whatever you prefer. If you're trying to make it like a full fringe, all you have to do is curl your hair all the way in for that to work. Or if you're trying to like separate it like I did before, you can do this, or you can literally make it this way. So also, if you want your bun to look messier than this, because this looks a little bit put together, you can literally like pick hair out. I'm just trying to wear this look today. I'm sure when next I have much more time, I could do like 3 different styles, like the fringe and the other ones I talked about. But yeah, you can literally pick this hair out, straighten it, and then just leave it around so it looks really messy. So this is like a put together messy bun. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, this is this. Okay, fast 2 minutes hairstyle. That will be all for today. So thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video. Now I want to see a lot of messy buns, okay? Whenever you use this method, please tag me and be like, oh yeah, Reina, you said it was 5 minutes and we're able to do it. It's literally the simplest hairstyle you can do, as long as your hair is, you know, retouched. I even feel like if you have a really soft texture of hair, your hair doesn't have to be relaxed before you're able to put this together. But put this together, take your pictures, tag me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Thank you very much.